Welcome back to CBS News Detroit at noon. Celebrity conservatorships are making headlines regularly. But what exactly is a conservatorship and why would someone need one? To help us understand, we have our legal analyst, Danielle Mayoras, with us in studio. Thanks for being with us. This is certainly a complex topic to many people. I think, one celebrity who may come to mind is Britney Spears, but we're talking about Brian Wilson, and then Cher has some involvement. What do they have in common?
Well, obviously, beyond being all musicians, they're all familiar, unfortunately, with the conservatorship process. Brian Wilson right now is currently under a conservatorship. Britney Spears, as we know, used to have a conservatorship, and now there's talk she might need another one. And Cher has filed for conservatorship over her son, Elijah Blue.
Okay, so Cher is on the other end of this. For those who aren't familiar, what is a conservatorship?
A conservatorship is a process where someone can petition the court and ask for legal authority to make another person's financial decisions. And then there's also a counterpart of that for medical decisions, which we call guardianships in Michigan, but in states like California, it's called a conservatorship over the person.
Okay, so it varies state by state, whether
Yes.
this is strictly financial or also including that medical component. You mentioned Beach Boys, Brian Wilson. What led to him needing a conservatorship, or what was the justification there?
Well, he's 81 years old, and his wife was taking care of him. But when she passed away, there was a void that needed to be filled. So his longtime management team petitioned the court. There was a doctor's declaration that he's on medication for dementia, and he has a cognitive disorder, and he needed help. So it's really not surprising that in that case, the judge granted the conservatorship, which was over his person or for the medical decision.
And how does that compare to what we've seen over the last several years with Britney Spears?
Totally different situation. Britney Spears wasn't 81. She was 26 when the conservatorship started. And obviously she didn't have dementia. She was exhibiting out of control behavior. And so it was a pretty dramatic thing to have conservatorship. But what's more surprising is that it lasted 13 years. And so during that time period, she had no control over any of her medical or financial decisions. Obviously, she had it terminated. She petitioned the court and they granted the termination. But right now in the news, we're seeing that maybe it shouldn't have been terminated, or maybe she needs another conservatorship.
If people have questions about this, like we mentioned, quite a convoluted topic, how can people reach out to you, get more information?
They can reach us at the law firm at BRMM Law.
Okay, wonderful. Danielle Mayoras, thanks for being on with us this afternoon.
Thank you so much,
We
Rochelle.
appreciate it.